Transfer is a full-service warehousing, logistics, and manufacturing company for the chemical industry, primarily servicing the agricultural and industrial chemical markets. My name is Charlie Perera. I'm the Vice President for Future Transfer. So the main idea behind the automatic filler was to remove the operator from the entire filling process and to limit exposure to some of the chemicals that we handle in the plant. The design enables us to basically fill anything that's palletized through the automatic conveyor system. We chose to integrate a shrink wrapper in line as well. The construction of the overall machinery allows us to do virtually any of our SKUs, any liquid product through the machine. It could be enhanced even further to work in hazardous environments as well, including flammable and corrosive environments. Those designs already exist today with Eascan. So we approached Eascan about wanting to do an automatic tote filler. So right now the limitations in the industry around vision system managing the filling of the containers, there's only one or two options. Neither of those options gave us the flexibility of the number of SKUs that we wanted to be able to manage off of our line. And so that's where they came up with the idea of using a robot, in this case our Yaskawa. So utilizing the vision system, we're able to basically program new recipes in under 5 hours, which was a huge advantage for us. We were also able to achieve faster cycle times overall on a per container basis. The net weight filling system has proven to be more accurate than what we've had in the past. As of today, we have done just under 20 robots and counting. So we're looking forward to continuing that journey.